I asked somebody to teach me something. Dankeschön. You know, it's a really special time for us when we're in Berlin. It's a unique city because it's a city that we've not only played songs in, a city that we've spent a lot of time in, a city that we have friends in, a city that we feel at home in, but it's also a city that we've written songs in. We do have some German songs. I remember when I was living not too far from here, in Mitte. I was living in a little place up on the top floor, overlooking Berlin, and I wrote a song, and I'm gonna play it for you right now. No matter how many times that you told me you want